Today I want to show you what's in my stationery toolbox. Hell yeah. So before I was storing all of my stationery in a bin like this, and honestly, that was working pretty well for me. I think it's better than having like all my stationery organized and put away in one container like this. It just makes it more fun to go through everything, have it like easily accessible, and then when I'm done I'll just like pile it back in. My parents asked me what I wanted for Christmas, and I told them that I wanted this toolbox. I can't lie, it's pretty awesome, and I'm gonna show you what I keep in here. And then I'm also going to decorate some pen pal letters so you can see how I like play with my stationery. It's a Toyo steel toolbox, and I think this one is called like the 2-level box because look what it does. Whoa! And we'll just start with these top compartments here. It comes with these steel dividers that can fit into like these different sections, and you can section off the top shelves. I have some sections for my washi tape. This is just like some glue and a pencil sharpener. I'll show you some of my favorites. This is a washi tape that basically looks like seals or ties, and I like to seal letters with it. I really like this one too. I use it a lot. Each individual section looks like a little stamp, and it just has these like cute little bunnies on it. And I like to use these when like I'm hand delivering a card to someone, for their birthday or something, and I can decorate the envelope and make it look like mail with like a fake stamp. That's really cute. My sister got me a bunch of washi tape for my birthday, and she picked out this like dinosaur encyclopedia one, and I haven't used it yet. I have a lot of cat stationery because cats are just like such a popular motif in stationery, and I want to collect more dinosaur stationery because I love cats, but I also love dinosaurs. And she also got me these like bread washi tape and a dessert washi tape, which are just so cute, by the brand Kita, and they make these little like swatches of washi tape. So these are just like individual little pieces of washi tape, and these are cat themed. These are like little memo pads, and the container is like a matchbox, and the lines on the memo are matches with a little penguin. In this little pouch I have my stamping supplies. I don't have that many stamps because I don't really like the maintenance of having to clean them, and I don't really clean my stamps because I only use one ink. But I love the Potter and Cat brand, and they have the cutest stamps. This one is like a little cat putting something in an envelope. And then this one is like a little label with 2 kitties on it, and I usually like to use this to like date something or write like to and then the person or from Nikki. And then I just have a stamp pad like this for those stamps. So that's the top section. And now for the main big compartment, this is just like a larger space and there's no dividers or anything, so it's just kind of like a free-for-all. And I honestly probably could like organize this better, but this is just what I have for now, and it doesn't need to be too serious. It's fucking stationery. My friend Melissa got me these dual-sided pens. One side has a highlighter and then it has a matching felt tip pen on the other side. They're really pretty colors. I've been using them in my journal and when I'm writing cards to people. Here's how I keep my stickers organized, kind of. I have this index card organizer from like college. I used to put like my flashcards in here and keep them organized, and now I use it to hold all my stickers, mostly like individual stickers, small sticker sheets. My friend M asked me if these are like organized in any particular way, and I was like, no, I just have them all stuffed in there, and every time I want a sticker, I have to fucking flip through all of them. But you know what? That's the fun. That's the fun of it. Any sticker sheets I have that don't really fit in there, I just have them all clipped together like this. These are some cat stickers that have like little fuzzy patches that my friend Richie got me. I talked about Potter and Cat before, but these are some of their stickers. They're just so fucking cute, dude. Like, what? And then, yeah, I mentioned my sister gifted me some stationery for my birthday, and she gave me these animal stickers. I forget where they're from, but they're so funny. Like, I love this penguin that's like screaming. Those are my stickers. Here's some more stickers. I got these when I visited my sister in Portland. We went to a stationery store and I got this like book of dinosaur stickers. They're really cool and they have like all different size stickers. I really like the colors of the dinosaurs and the designs of the dinosaurs. This little bag, I have all of my little Post-it notes and memo sheets. For example, some more Potter and Cat. These are like little memo sheets that I will like write notes on or glue them into my journal. These are some just like blank envelopes for pen paling. I got a bunch of different colors. No, I didn't actually. I just got purple and green. Here are some more like Post-it notes. These ones are not sticky, but they're cute. More gifts from my sister. She got me these gradient stickers. They're so pretty, and honestly, sometimes I just like zone out and like look at all the pretty colors, and I'm not sure where to use them yet, but maybe I'll use them today when I'm pen paling to like decorate the letter. Getting to the end here, this is just like a memo pad. What I usually use to print out pictures at home, it's like an Instax printer that uses the same film as their cameras, but it connects through Bluetooth to your phone so you can print out pictures from your phone. Some more cute little sticky notes. This one looks like Kashi. And these are like cute little rotund, bashful little cats that I think are freaking adorable. And then the last thing is this tea box. I'll just like go on Pinterest and find random cute things like cute buttons, pictures of puppies, pictures of Miffy, and I'll just like print them out and then cut them out and glue them in my journal or on my letters. Yeah, so that's everything. I'm gonna put it all back now and try to remember how I had it organized. They're like washi tape. I thought they were gonna be like thick stickers. I finished decorating the pen pal letters. Sometimes if I don't know where to start decorating, I'll just choose a color and then look through all of my stationery and find things that are that color, and that's just a good way to start. Like for this one, I really liked this color pink envelope, so I tried to like match the stationery to it. And then same thing for this one, I wanted to use this like lime green envelope, so then I kind of used like green as the starting off point. So now I'm going to write the actual contents of the letter.